Larry, an L2 service reliability engineer at Apex Mobile, is investigating an issue affecting their voice over IP services using BMC Helix AIOps. He seeks additional insights into the problem and guidance on how to resolve it. BMC Helix AIOps leverages generative AI to train large language models. A pre-trained domain-specific model is included by default and can be securely fine-tuned using customer-specific data such as events, tickets, knowledge bases, and log files. Larry is in the details of the situation where generative AI provides summaries of active issues. For instance, in this scenario, the system has identified a network switch as the root cause of an interface down issue causing high jitter rates. Looking at the situation explanation, Larry can see the root cause node and the causal chain of events on how the situation was formed. This information is called the situation fingerprint. Each situation's fingerprint is stored in a knowledge graph, allowing for recommendations based on similar past incidents. This table lists comparable historical situations based on their fingerprints and could be used to gather additional details of similar issues. Larry looks at the impact flow, which provides a clear view of how the events have affected the service from a topology perspective. Powered by AIOps, it pinpoints the network layer as the likely root cause of the issue. What sets this view apart is its focus on the impacted path only, rather than displaying the entire service topology. This streamlined approach makes it easier to identify problem areas and prioritize corrective actions. Using generative AI, the system suggests remediation steps derived from the trained model and past scenarios. For example, to address the current network issue, the recommended action is to reset the VLAN configuration on the interface. If no automation exists, Larry can use the code wizard to generate one quickly. Select your preferred language, and the correct code is displayed based on your selection. This greatly reduces the time it takes to build automations. Ask Helix GPT, powered by generative AI, enables Larry to ask detailed situation-specific questions such as run a 5 whys analysis. This will return a detailed breakdown of the issue, the reasoning behind the findings, and whether it was caused by human error. Generative AI also analyzes log data to provide further context. For instance, in this case, syslog messages indicate an interface down on the affected network device. Based on all of the information presented to him, Larry feels confident enough that running the reset VLAN configuration automation will resolve the issue. In the future, he will consider running this automatically for true zero-touch operations. By facilitating zero-touch operations through advanced automation and actionable insights, generative AI enhances productivity and operational efficiency.